screen. Wings at the bottom for Nunes. Terrell in motion. Nunes looks that way. And incomplete. Terrell, the intended receiver. Ford Harris covering defensively for USC, and that'll bring on the field goal here. Or will it? It's going to be interesting if they decide to go that way or punt it. Looks like field goal, as you noted, Gus, is still a long one, though.